everybody, we just picked up the Solo Cleano robots, and we are going to be making a series of videos where we are going to be showing the robot, so stay tuned for that. And we're going to start with this one. Thank you, Bellagio, for putting us up for the night. You gave us a wonderful room. We had a very nice scenery, and we were able to have a nice dinner. And along with our nice dinner, we were able to have a few drinks with our favorite bartender who takes care of us every single time we come up to Las Vegas. With that being said, we have to roll, and we're heading back to California. Morning, how you doing?
I have to apologize. Typically, we have all our gold and platinum members up, but
is that Erie with a Solo Cleano robot brush? Oh my God, he's got it! Woo!
As you can see, Mark was a little excited when I got it back to the shop.
Drop it. Doesn't look like it's all the way in. Don't fuck it up. It took him a year to get it. See? I told you.
After a long journey, we finally got a robot, and we are now distributors for Solar Cleano. Also, we are going to sell this robot, and we're going to be able to use them with our existing customers. So if you guys are interested in this robot, feel free to give us a call and let us know. We are going to put this all together. We're going to get ready for this. So with that being said, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. This is the first of many videos, and with that, we're going to go ahead and sign off. We will catch you guys on the next video, so enjoy the rest of our video. See you guys. Peace.